After 20 years of industry experience, Haohua Group has risen to become one of the top tire manufacturers in China. As the company continued its evolution, Shandong Haohua Tire set its sights on expanding its manufacturing capabilities beyond its native Shandong province. Towards the end of 2022, Shandong Haohua Tire began conducting comprehensive surveys across Southeast Asia to identify potential investment locations. The company evaluated countries such as Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Ultimately, Haohua chose Vietnam as the country that best suited its strategic expansion needs due to factors such as its proximity to China, political stability, competitive labor costs, and membership in several essential free trade agreements. Exhaustive surveys and analyses of the investment environment were conducted across the country, leading Haohua to opt for Binh Phuoc province for its first overseas automobile tire manufacturing project. Belonging to the southern key economic region of Vietnam, the most modern and productive region of the country, the province includes a rapidly developing economy with a young, tech-savvy labor force full of manufacturing experience, critical infrastructure, and abundant natural resources. Especially for Haohua's purposes, the province reserves for itself the largest rubber production area in the country. Additionally, the government actively supports investors with outstanding preferential policies. Foreign investors highly appreciate the dynamic aid provided by the Binh Phuoc provincial government. First, the provincial government actively welcomes investors. As early as the surveying and site selection phase, Haohua was working with the chairman of the Binh Phuoc People's Committee and the Minh Sikico Industrial Park to preemptively and promptly address key investor concerns. Second, the provincial government proactively and quickly addresses business inquiries. After Haohua decided to invest in Binh Phuoc, the chairman of the Provincial People's Committee immediately authorized the Economic Zone Management Board, along with leaders of relevant departments and Minh Sikico Industrial Park, to host a meeting. In this meeting, they provided comprehensive step-by-step guidelines for project implementation and addressed issues regarding business establishment regulations, investment incentive policies, and legal customs procedures. Third, the provincial government is committed to continuous support in facilitating investment and business. On November 17, 2023, immediately after Haohua was granted the investment registration certificate, Secretary Nguyen Man Kong of the Binh Phuoc Provincial Party Committee and Chairman Chan Tue Hin of the Binh Phuoc People's Committee met with the Haohua business delegation. They affirmed their determination and instructed relevant authorities to prioritize and facilitate the investment project in Binh Phuoc. The local government committed to accompanying Haohua and providing the most favorable conditions for the company to begin operations and develop quickly. Beyond the robust investment support for and promotion of foreign businesses by the Binh Phuoc provincial government, the exceptional advantages of Minh Sikico Industrial Park attracted Haohua to invest in it. First, the extensive legal framework of the industrial park protects the land lease investment funds from risks throughout the whole process, ensuring a smooth transition of land use right certificates to investors. Second, progress on the implementation of the Investors Factory project will be fast and smooth due to said framework, alongside comprehensive support from professional investment consultants from the industrial park, who remains on call to assist investors with legal procedures. Third, the necessary infrastructure and legal conditions are in place for the investor to commence operations upon the factory's completion. Furthermore, Minh Sikico Industrial Park is one of the largest industrial parks in southern Vietnam. It has a planned area of approximately 1,755 hectares, with Phase 1 being developed on 655 hectares. The large scale of the industrial park ensures sufficient land reserves for Haohua's future expansion and development needs. These outstanding advantages drove Shandong Haohua Tire to invest in Minh Sikico Industrial Park for its automobile tire manufacturing plant project, with a total investment capital of $500 million over a 460,000 square meter area. Let us review the milestones of the collaborative journey between these enterprises. End of 2022, Haohua began exploring new investment locations abroad. December 2022, Haohua conducted its first survey visit to Minh Sikico Industrial Park. On March 9, 2023, the agreement in principle was signed as the first significant milestone of collaboration. On September 8, Haohua signed a land sublease agreement with Minh Sikico Industrial Park. On September 11, the ceremony for the investment registration certificate at the Binh Phuoc Province People's Committee kick-started the beginning of Haohua investment in the province. October 2023, the land was handed over and the land use rights certificate was transferred to Haohua. Haohua Tire Manufacturing Factory, Vietnam, is scheduled to complete construction, equipment installation, and commissioning in Q1 2025, with official operations commencing in Q2 2025. Congratulations on the solid partnership and sustainable cooperation between Shandong Haohua Tire and Minh Sikico. It has created new opportunities for both sides in their development journey. Minh Sikico Shandong Haohua Tire Strategic Partnership for Objective Success.